In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your WooCommerce store. First, log into your WordPress website. On your WordPress website homepage, in the left navigation bar, look for an option labeled Products. Hover over the option until you see more options pop up, then left-click on Add New from the list. This will take you to the Add New Product page where you can add new products. To add a new product, first enter the name of the product in the name box. For this example, we will type laptop as our product name. Below the name box, enter your description, which gives a brief knowledge about the product. Simply type the description here. Above the dialog box, you have options to change the text. You can make it bold or italic and also align the text using these options. On top of these settings, you have an option to add different media such as images, PDFs, and forms. For this example, we will add an image. Simply left-click the first option. A new dialog box will open up. To add a new image, simply left-click Upload Image option on the top navigation bar. Here, simply drag and drop an image file from your computer. The image will be uploaded to your site. From here, select the image by left, clicking on it, and left-click Insert into Product button in the lower right corner. The image will be inserted into your description. Below this section, you have a Product Data section. Here you can choose whether your product is virtual or downloadable by checking the following boxes. Below that, you have an option to set the pricing of the product. You can set the regular price and the sale price of the product. Simply left-click on the appropriate box and type the price in numbers. Below that, you can set tax settings. On the left navigation bar, you have an Inventory tab. Left-click on it. Here you can enter the SKU of the product. Below that, you can set whether the product will appear as in stock or out of stock, simply by checking the appropriate box. You can also limit the purchase limit to only one per customer by checking the following box. Below the Inventory tab, you can set shipping settings. Left-click on the Shipping tab. Here, you can set the weight, dimensions, and shipping class of the product. Below this section, you have a Product Short Description section. Here, you can add a short description that appears right below the product on your product page before the main description we added earlier. Simply left-click on the dialog box and type. Like before, you can also add media to this description. Now, on the right side of the page, you have more options. The first option is Set Product Image. Left-click on the Set Product Image link. A dialog box will open. Here, you can upload images to your product. These images will be the main images. Next, you have Product Categories. Here, you can set the category your product lies in. Left-click the Add New Category tab. Type the name of the category in the box. For this example, we will type Electronics, and left-click Add New Category button at the bottom. The category will be added. Now, to save all these changes, simply scroll up and left-click Publish button to publish your product.